You're scrolling through your phone, bombarded with ads for this sleek, new digital bank called Vio. They're promising high-interest savings, no hidden fees, and a super easy app. Sounds amazing, right? But then, that little voice in the back of your head kicks in. Is Vio actually legit? Or is it just another online flash in the pan, ready to disappear with your hard-earned cash? That's the question we're diving into today. Because let's face it, in the world of online finance, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. We're all looking for better ways to manage our money, especially with the ever-increasing cost of living. So, when a new player promises to shake things up, we naturally want to know if it's the real deal. First off, let's establish some context. Vio is a digital bank, meaning it operates primarily online and through its mobile app. This model is becoming increasingly popular, as it often translates to lower overhead costs, which can then be passed on to the customer in the form of better rates and fewer fees. But just because it's digital doesn't automatically make it trustworthy. One of the key things to look for when evaluating a bank's legitimacy is its regulatory status. In the United States, banks are typically regulated at both the state and federal level. Look for FDIC insurance. That's the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. It's like a safety net for your deposits. If a bank fails, the FDIC insures your money up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. This is a crucial layer of protection, especially when dealing with online-only banks. Now, let's talk about Vio specifically. Digging into their website and documentation, we need to find out if they are indeed FDIC insured. If they are, that's a major checkmark in the legitimacy column. Also, check their parent company. Often, these digital banks operate under the umbrella of a more established financial institution. Knowing who is backing them can give you a clearer picture of their stability. Beyond regulatory status, let's consider user experience. How easy is it to navigate the app? Are there any hidden fees or complicated terms and conditions? What about customer support? Can you easily reach someone if you have a problem? Reading user reviews and checking independent financial websites can give you valuable insights into these areas. Another important factor is the interest rates they're offering. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. While competitive rates are attractive, extremely high rates can sometimes be a red flag. It's important to compare Vio's rates with those of other reputable banks to see where they stand. Security is also paramount. In the digital age, cybersecurity is a major concern. Look for strong encryption, multi-factor authentication, and clear policies on data protection. A legitimate bank will prioritize the security of your personal and financial information. Let's also touch on transparency. How open is Vio about its fees, terms, and conditions? Are they easy to find and understand? A trustworthy bank will be upfront about all aspects of its services. If you find yourself digging through layers of fine print, that might be a warning sign. In essence, determining whether Vio is a legit bank involves a combination of research, critical thinking, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Don't just take their marketing at face value. Look for concrete evidence of regulatory compliance, solid security measures, and positive user experiences. So, to answer the initial question, is Vio a legit bank? The answer, like with many financial products, is it depends. You need to do your due diligence. Verify their FDIC status, check user reviews, examine their security features, and compare their offerings with other established financial institutions. Don't be afraid to ask tough questions and demand clear answers. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to trust Vio with your money is a personal one. Make sure you feel comfortable with their services and that they meet your individual financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.